Just a quick tip, you're a real estate agent, you must have a Google page. Say you're searching for a business, you want to see the reviews, you want to see if it's a business that is having great reviews, good customer base, you want to go to that restaurant. So what we do, we Google it. So just a quick tip, you're a real estate agent, you need to have a Google page, seriously. So very quick, very easy, you go on Google, and in your Gmail, you just have that on the top right. You just select those icons there, and then you could just create your business page. So you're a realtor, you must be on Google, and you definitely want to ask reviews. I'm going to share in a different video, I'm going to share with you which time in the transaction is the most important time to ask for reviews. All right, take care, guys. That was my quick tip. Take care.